It is April 24th, 2019. I'm at the intersection of 10th Avenue South, South Jackson Street in Seattle. Extremely dangerous intersection for pedestrians. I see pedestrians, in particular seniors and elderly folks, crossing here a lot. It's in the heart of the ID, Int'l District. There's new residents here with, I imagine there might be at least 100 to 200 units in it. There's that residence over there. There's another huge condo apartment building going up in the corner right there at Jackson 12th. Another one's under construction on the southwest corner of Rainier and what is that? Sorry, Rainier and Jackson. So this intersection is in dire need of a signal light with a all crosswalk signal light for pedestrians before someone gets killed here. It's almost like mayhem. It's almost like bumper cars with the cars. Drivers alone, much less when you have pedestrians sandwiched in there. People don't stop at stop signs, and we've got a fair number of bicyclists come through here also. Of late, the last few weeks, I've seen people on these, I don't know what they're called, they're like these one board wheeled scooter things that are, I don't know if they're, I guess they're electric powered. And I've seen several young people riding these things in traffic wearing gray and or black clothing without any helmets. It's like madness. Anyway, I urge supporters of the Seattle Campaign for Pedestrian Safe Intersections page to urge the city DOT and urge city council members to get a signal light intersection, signal lights put in at this intersection. And it should also have all crosswalk, like they've done. The city has done at least a couple of intersections recently. One in the U District, and one on around Broadway and John Street. Thank you.